Elo, paano nagiging sundalo? Kahit sino pwede?
Tulad ng ibang trabaho, kailangan mag-apply ka. May exam. Pag nakapasa ka, tanggap ka na. At magte-training ka na.
Ang kinukuha po natin dito yung mga, preferably we prepare yung mga 72 units sa college. Pero yung high school graduate, kailangan may skill or competency na kailangan namin dito sa Philippine Army. For the officers, kailangan namin ay graduate ng baccalaureate course or may baccalaureate degree. They should be 21 to 24 years old. Unang-una, they should possess yung intellect. We have an aptitude test composed of the IQ test, verbal reasoning, and of course yung abstract reasoning para ma-gauge natin o makuha natin yung kanilang kakayahan para magiging leader ng Philippine Army. Of course, yung character din po nila, importante yun. For the officer candidate course, 1 year po yung training yan. So once qualified na sila dito sa mga requirements natin and all the pre-entry written examination, ipapadala po namin sila sa officer candidate school namin sa Camp O'Donnell, Tarlac. For the candidate soldier and yung tinatawag natin na enlisted personnel, yun sila kasi yung rank and file natin. They will undergo yung 6-month na course where yung mga candidates natin will be trained sa basic rudiments ng soldiery. So after that, they will be deployed to their different units.